Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can install WordPress on Hostinger. It's quite easy and straightforward, so let me show how. First of all, log into your Hostinger account, and then you need to press on Home. Then you need to go on Hosting and press Manage here. And once you do that, then you should see auto installer here. You can press here, but if you don't see this option on the main dashboard when you press the hosting, then you need to go to website and then auto installer will be here. Press on that, and then you can select WordPress. Select WordPress, then you can give your website title. Then you can put your administrator email, administrator username, and password. So let's put the password here, press next. I always go with the update only to a minor version, but also you can select update to the latest available version if you want to, and make sure that a version is on recommended or the latest one here. Then you can select your language, and I will stick with the English. Then you just need to press install, right? So it will take you a couple of minutes to install. And after it is installed, if you want to access a panel, you just need to press admin panel here. And you will be redirected to the WordPress where you can do a bunch of different things. And if you want to go back, for example, if you close this window and you want to go back editing, what you need to do here, you just need to write your domain name on search, and then you need to just leave /vp-admin, and then you will log into your backend of your WordPress. And that's pretty much it. So if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.